Bitcoin hovers near $41,000 as Memecoin ordinals frenzy clogs up blockchains. FTX files reorganization plan to end bankruptcy. Improbable sells gaming venture for $97 million. Yuga Labs recovers stolen apes with 120 ETH bounty. Solana Saga phone sold for 10x the price on eBay amid bonk craze. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The consolidation phase kicked off over the weekend in virtual digital assets continued unabated as the recent rally prompted profit-taking while the regulators offered little respite in the US that includes rejection Coinbase's request for separate industry regulatory framework. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Data from CoinClass shows $103.5 million in liquidations of token-tracked futures in the past 12 hours, and $95 million of them have been longs or bets on higher prices. As many as $33 million in Bitcoin positions were liquidated, with $29 million of those being long Bitcoin positions. US stock futures were fractionally higher on Monday morning after the three major averages notched their 7th straight week of gains. The Dow Jones Industrial Average recorded a new intraday record and the Nasdaq 100 had a new closing high. Futures tied to the Dow Industrialists added 40 points or 0.11%. The S&P 500 futures also advanced 0.16%, while Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.06%. The IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, eased 0.24% to 54,256. Bitcoin's price failed to sustain over $43,000 during the weekend, and the subsequent rejection pushed it south hard to a 5-day low of just under $41,000. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $40,673, down by 3%. BTC's market cap has decreased to $796 billion, but its dominance over the alts is currently 52.05%, an increase of 0.39% over the day. The cumulative market capitalization of all crypto assets has shed $50 billion since yesterday's high at $1.6 trillion and is down 3.3% to $1.54 trillion. Most alternative coins have been sitting in red since the weekend, and the past 24 hours have been no different. ETH was trading at $2,131, a fall of 3.9% in a similar time span. Well, Binance BNB was trading 3.3% lower at $234. Next on the list, Solana Sol lost 7.2% to trade at $67.7. Talking about the sales of Solana Saga phones, they picked up last week as some arbitrage traders appeared to be chasing a 30 million bonk token airdrop given to every phone owner. And Cardano's ADA token falls 7.8% to trade at $0.55. Next on the list, we have Avalanche's AVAX. It dropped by 12% to $37, and Polygon Matic has lost 8.4% to trade at $0.76. Polkadot also dropped 8.4% before trading at $6.44. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP lost 5.8% to trade at $0.58. Talking about DogeCoin, it was trading 8.1% lower at $0.087, and Shiba Inu dropped 10%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The estate of the collapsed crypto enterprise FTX submitted a proposal to end bankruptcy with the Delaware court, a filing from Saturday shows. The exchange, founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, imploded in November 2022 shortly after CoinDesk reported on the shaky balance sheet of the firm's trading unit Alameda. The bankruptcy plan was expected by December 16th, following earlier informal proposals which included plans to return up to 90% of creditors' funds. In the new proposal, creditor and customer claims are classed according to the priority the estate plans to give them and the value of claims, which will be calculated based on asset prices as of the date the company filed for bankruptcy. In a separate statement, the estate said the plan was designed to maximize and efficiently distribute value to all creditors. As in other high-profile crypto bankruptcy cases, the plan is likely to face opposition from various creditor groups until it's approved by the court. A hearing date will be set in 2024. Metaverse technology company Improbable announced in an end-of-the-year statement on December 18 that it had sold its Web3 gaming venture, the multiplayer group, to Keywords Studio for $97.1 million. Herman Narula, co-founder and CEO of Improbable, called Keywords a like-minded business partner and said he was delighted to see MPG embark on a new chapter. Keywords works with large names in the gaming industry such as Activision Blizzard, Bethesda, ZeniMax, Epic Games and 2K. Narula said this deal is a part of its venture strategy for 2024. Improbable originally acquired MPG in 2019 for around £30 million. The Boring Security DAO has managed to recover the recently stolen Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club non-fungible token following a bounty payment to the hacker. On December 16, the peer-to-peer trading platform NFT Trader was exploited, leading to the theft of nearly $3 million of NFTs. Stating that they were a good person with limited technical skills, the hacker requested a bounty payment in exchange for the loot. Less than 24 hours following the attack, a community initiative led by the Boring Security DAO initiated a recovery process. At the hacker's request, the DAO facilitated a bounty payment of 120 Ether worth about $260,764. The Boring Security DAO confirmed the recovery news on X, noting that the hacker collected 10% of the floor price of 36 BAYC and 18 MAYC as a bounty. Solana Saga, despite initially struggling to reach sales expectations, recently sold out in major parts of the world after Memecoin traders found out the flagship Web3 phone came with a generous bag of one of the hottest Shiba Inu themed tokens in the market right now, Bonk. As Solana's inaugural Memecoin takes flight, traders are going bonkers trying to get their hands on the Web3 phone, allowing owners to capitalize on the rising demand. The newfound interest in the phone aligns with the explosive rise of Solana's leading Shiba Inu-themed memecoin, Bonk. Each Solana Saga phone comes bundled with 30 million Bonk tokens, currently worth more than phone's $599 price tag. Spotting this opportunity, traders are racing to snatch up the phone from every shelf in the world. As demand for the phone rises, the flagship Web3 phone is now reselling for up to 10 times its original price on secondary marketplaces like eBay. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Tether. Tether's CEO, Paolo Ardoino, is working to combat the misuse of its stablecoins for illicit activities and enhance the crypto space's integrity. The stablecoin issuer has implemented a new wallet freezing policy targeting individuals on the SDN list, resulting in the freezing of over 200 wallets. Tether CEO Ardoino has also expressed his commitment to prevent malicious actors from exploiting the company's stablecoins, including onboarding law enforcement agencies like the Secret Service and the FBI. Tether has pledged full cooperation with law enforcement in the fight against terrorist financing and other illicit activities. Ardoino's letter to US legislators highlighted that the firm's efforts in fighting crime, highlighting its wallet freezing policy, which helped restrict access to over 200 wallets and freeze over 3.5 million USDT. Tether has also assisted the US Department of Justice, the US Secret Service, and the FBI in freezing 326 wallets totaling over $435 million. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink has unlocked 11.25 million Link tokens worth $162 million, with 8.2 million transferred to Binance. The move is a part of Chainlink's long-term token issuance program, which includes a treasury diversification for development and a link paid to nodes as Oracle rewards. Chainlink's community director, Rory Piant, noted that the projected 12-month Link token launch rate is lower than most other Web3 projects in the top 100 by market capitalization. With a constant annual Link token issuance rate, the actual annual inflation of Link will decrease each calendar year. Link was trading at $14, up 0.38% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shibburn has reported a significant increase in Shiba Inu tokens burned in the past 24 hours, with a total of 8.6 billion tokens burned in 6 transactions in the past day. The surge in daily Shibburn amounts has triggered a 727,000% 6% spike in the SHIB burn rate. The surge comes after over 8.61 billion tokens were sent to dead wallets. The Shiba Inu team performed the second major burn on Shibarium, sending 8.61 billion tokens to dead wallets simultaneously. The SHIB team has stated that the additional massive burns will be performed if recalled, and evidence of 8 billion SHIB worth $89,000 being sent to dead wallets has been shared. Shiba Inu was trading down 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Evernote. Evernote's EVRS token, the Layer 2 protocol in the XRP ledger, has postponed its mainnet launch to January 15th, 2024. Following the success of the airdrop campaign, the delay is a strategic move to ensure the Evernote ecosystem is robust and is ready for a seamless launch. The mainnet was originally planned to be launched by the end of 2023, but the complexity of integrating new features and user transactions led to the decision of postponing the launch. The delay allows the community time to familiarize themselves with the XM update and its new functionalities, such as importing R addresses and establishing a trustliness for Evers. The XM update, scheduled for December 18th, was a critical pursuer to the launch, providing essential tools for users to transition smoothly to the Evernote protocol. EVERS was trading at $0.05, up near 15% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Landax token. Landax Finance, the agricultural DeFi protocol, launched their LNDX governance token on 15th December 2023, causing significant price surges on exchanges like Gate.io, MEXC.com, and Uniswap. The tokens reached a $5.5 million trading volume. This marks a significant milestone for Landax, bridging the gap between traditional farming finance and DeFi investors. The LNDX token is a cornerstone of the Landax ecosystem, and holders benefit from the LNDX Foundation. Landax is set to unveil its platform on 19 December 2023, accompanied by a special flash sale of the X Basket Index Fund of X tokens.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.